Kobe Bryant dies in a helicopter crash, TMZ reports. Kobe Bryant died Sunday in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California, TMZ reports. Bryant was reportedly in his private helicopter with three other people when it crashed. Emergency personnel responded when a fire broke out. No one on board the helicopter survived, according to TMZ Sports. TMZ says that Kobe Bryant's wife, Vanessa Bryant, was not on board. Rest in peace, champ. You will be missed, Kobe Bryant, the great Kobe Bryant. Sad, sad Sunday in sports. Everybody out there, stay blessed and have a blessed weekend, man. Rest in peace, motherfucking Kobe Bryant.